Hey y'all, you want to turn that music down a little bit? We are leaving town and we are on our way on our first road trip in 6 months of quarantine. We're headed to La Fortuna in the center of the country to do some hot springs and rivers and hiking and waterfalls and all the fun.
Yay!
I'm in the back seat. Brandon's driving so that I can get a little work done.
Hello.
But yeah, so we are on our way. We'll be there in about 4 hours and we'll check in with you when we get there. Well, we've reached Fortuna. There's Arnall. Well, we have arrived at our Airbnb. Cute place. Air conditioning, couple bedrooms. Got a bunk bed in here, the bathroom. King size bed, that's nice. Nice little patio. Hot tub with no water in it, but hot tub. This is the roof patio. Get the view of the volcano, which is nice. It's nice. Very nice.
Very nice.
Cute place. After a long day, we are ready with the jacuzzi, the lights. Yes.
Hey everybody, today is day 2. We are in Fortuna and we are going to do a little cooking class here. It sounded really cool. It's an Airbnb experience we found. And then after that, we're gonna do a canopy tour, zip lines. I think it's gonna be 15 zip lines or something like that in about 2.5 hours. So that'll be really fun and we will catch you when we get there.
Gonna be a packed day.
Woo! Excited.
Say hi.
Hi. Okay.
Vamos a echar esta.
La lechuga.
Esta, vamos a la lechuga. Esto es
Catú.
catú, pero tiene mucho hierro. Mucho.
Esto no le echaba azúcar, ¿verdad?
Eché pero un poco, pero hay que probarlo a ver.
¿Cuánto le echó un poquito?
Es que hay que sacar allá. Es muy fácil. Solo 5 minutos 10.
Está bueno.
Y
pero está demasiado espeso.
en su casa puede agregar helado.
Okay.
Muy bueno. No tengo helado. Hoy no tengo helado.
I wish you could smell it right now. It smells really good.
Yes, it does.
There's no smell-o-vision, sorry. Well, we are finished with the family meal cookout thing. I cannot find words today. And that was a lot of fun, right, Han?
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. The family was really nice. The food was amazing. Learned some new cooking tips and stuff. It was a lot of fun.
A lot of fun. So now we are on the road headed to the base of the volcano, where we are going to do a 15 zipline canopy tour over a couple hours. We'll see you there.
Bye-bye. Look up. Woohoo! Muy bien. Right to jump. Opa! Look up. Woohoo! Muy bien, amigo. Arriba!
Well, we are done with the zip line. My GoPro decided to fail, so we don't have much video for you, but what you see is what you got. So now we are on our way to the hot springs, because we were like, why not just go to a hot springs for a few hours before we have dinner. Well, we are now at the water hot springs. So here we go. Well, here we are at Las Termalitas. It's really nice. The water is nice and hot. You can see the steam coming off. I would say we've had a lot of fun today. Oh, yeah. And it's raining, which is really nice. You can see the raindrops
Falling on my head.
falling on my head. It's a lovely waterfall.